Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix internet speed drops while gaming, downloading, or streaming. First method is network troubleshooting. Second method is use clean boot state. Third method is uninstall network adapter. Fourth method is network reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.